Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share details about, first of all, about the crypto market. Yes, in the last week, Bitcoin swiftly came off its latest $126,219 record high and fell by 16% to Friday $104,998 and low amid when US President Trump 100% tariff threat on China import. Since then, Bitcoin regained the recently lost ground amid claiming word from China and the US, taking it so far back toward 1 lakh 16,000 area, and now it's on the price of 1 lakh 11,796 dollars. Yes, this is also about the crypto market after Trump tariff threat Friday. Nervous investor dumped their riskier, and there is also for government issue treasury bond and gold too. So I am also going to share all of this information based on educational purpose only. We are not your financial advisor. Do your research on, and in this video basically we are going to share about the MEXC campaign where you can join, and you can also on Maxi you can find like Fiat Deposit. There is also a chance for you, and you can also get here as iPhone 17 Pro Max and much more reward registration and after 17 days. And there you can also check when it has been started and the ending date too, in which you can participate. First of all, you need to create account on the Maxi. You want to create account, then easily you can also join here your email, your password, your referral code. Click on the terms and condition, accept, you can sign up. In this way you can also do the option here. Next you can also check double the reward and fun, and there is also deposit $100 to $10,000 win guaranteed reward up to 500 US dollar, and every spin will give you some reward. There is also premium reward too, where your volume of deposit decide how much your criteria eligibility is going to be done to get the price like iPhone 17 Pro Max and much more bigger reward. And there you can also find number of spin will give you what is your selection, what is your luck. As there is also basic, there is also about the premium. So in this way you can also select for that. You can get the chance when you are going to meet with these option. So here your trading volume and your deposit option will give you task, and you can also get one basic spin. There is also basic spin will give you on the number of your deposit. You want get some premium, then fee deposit must be here near to $30,000, and then you can also make your first deposit of $50,000, so on. You will get here premium your offer. So be ready to join. Here I have shared with you how Maxi event is working, where you can create account, you can join, you can deposit, you can easily start your trading experience on the platform Maxi. That is also number one liquidated platform, like liquidity, deep liquidity, where you can find also number one as for the user, wherever you are in your mobile phone, in your PC, in your laptop, you can start trading. You can also get some other events details too. So I hope you understand everything, where you can also join much more option, and you can create account. You can also follow them on the social media links. Your easy way to enter into the crypto with zero fee fast. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care and goodbye.